In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a realistic grass text effect in Photoshop. Let's begin. First, go to File and choose New to create a new document. Name it Grass Text Effect. Set the document settings exactly as shown in the video, and click Create. Next, select the Type tool, and type your text. This is the font I'm using for the text. Press Ctrl and T to activate Free Transform. Resize the text and place it at the center of the canvas. Now right-click the text layer and choose Rasterize Type. Drag and drop the grass image onto the canvas. Make sure that the grass image fully covers the text underneath. Right-click on the grass image layer and choose Create Clipping Mask to clip it to the text layer below. Next, select the Brush tool. Then select the Rasterize Text layer. Now go to Window and choose Brushes to open the Brushes panel. Open the Grass Photoshop Brushes section. The download link for the grass brush set is provided in the description. Choose any grass brush. Use bracket keys to adjust brush size. Use left and right arrow keys to rotate the brush. Now, start brushing around the edges of the text to draw grass coming out of the text. When drawing the grass, often change brushes, brush size, and rotation to make the grass look more natural and realistic. If you make a mistake, press Ctrl and Z to undo, or press Ctrl, Shift and Z to redo. Since you now understand how to brush the grass around the text, I'm going to speed this part up and let you watch the grass text effect take shape in real time. Once you're done drawing grass, make sure you have something similar to this. Double-click the text layer to open its Layer Style menu. Enable Bevel and Emboss, and set all the Bevel and Emboss values exactly as shown in the video. Next, enable Drop Shadow, and apply all the drop shadow settings exactly as shown. Click OK once you're done. Hold Ctrl and select these two layers, then press Ctrl and T to activate Free Transform. Then resize them, and move them slightly upward as shown. Now select the background layer, and add a gradient adjustment layer. Click on the gradient preview to open the gradient editor. From the Basics section, choose the black to transparent gradient. Double-click this color stop right here to open its color picker, and change its color to dark green. Then click OK. Again OK. Set the style to radial. Enable reverse. Set scale to 190%, and click OK. Select the Type tool again. Add a text. Resize the text, and type the text. Go to Text Properties, and adjust the character spacing as shown, and place the smaller text below the main text as shown. Press V to select the Move tool. Hold Ctrl and select these three layers and move them to the center. That's it. You've successfully created a grass text effect in Photoshop. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.